show you how to make a manufactured snowball. Turn this thing right into a very round thing. So what you want to do is at first you want to cut out the edges of this. Kind of like you're running, you know? After that you want to follow your hand between your fists, ball it up, and after that soon you'll get your ball shape, which is pretty cool. Of course you can see some dirt spots. I don't want to move that away. That's dirty. No one wants to get dirt on it. Now, of course, if you have a bigger sample of snow, then I guess you could have a bigger snowball. Yeah. Unless if it's like all over disgusting. But after a few moments of just like balling it up, you'll kind of get your more perfect spherical shape. So just keep on doing these little steps. You know, just kind of chopping it out, banging it out, and this is more of an egg shape. So I'm gonna try a bit. A little bit help. Soon after that, okay, it's not perfect. Okay, it's definitely going to take a long time. This is a very long process, and I just did this earlier in the morning. But now, check this out. The more perfect shape. I'm going to edit a bit more, but yeah, sooner or later it's going to turn into a real good looking shape. Like play it. Put it between there and then just like do whatever. After that, kind of repeat. Stuff it down for the places with and I'll just smash it with it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna need some more snow, but it's okay. Oh yeah, by the way, the chopping motion that you do with your hands, you don't do it at the center, you more have to do it on the side, kind of like a little wipe, you know? Like that, you know, you're kind of shaving away, you know? And then, whammo. You have your manufactured snowball. Of course, not the perfect circle. Will get better if you work on it more. But yeah, this right here is a typically manufactured snowball. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. This is some happy content to relieve the other stress-filled one. Yeah, some happy content for now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you later.